Babies! Goldie! Babies! Hello! Katarina Butler's here! Yay! Okay, crackers. Come on. Marshmallow. Right over here. Alright. 1, 2, 3. We need Clyde. We're missing Clyde. Where's Clyde?
Got ran from on the other side of the building.
Clyde? Oh, man.
No, they ran the gray one.
Oh, yeah, that's Clyde. Okay, babies. Hold on. Let's see. How are you? How are you? Everybody hungry? Butler! See, Butler wouldn't let me touch him yesterday. Yeah, oh, well, we regressed. When he's hungry, it's easier. Get this open. Hello, crackers. How are you, sweetie? How are you? Hey, Katarina. No, I know you can't have your own. Okay, hold on.
Hey.
Hold on, babies.
Well, my doctor's appointment went well today.
Alright.
Yeah,
Alright,
my
let's try
blood
here.
pressure is back to normal where it need to be. My magnesium.
Don't hit Butler. I'm giving you food. Why would you hit? What are you hitting me for? What are you hitting me for?
Where it need to be.
He likes to hit
My
me.
heartbeat is
What's up?
The only thing she said,
Yeah, you letting me pet you though.
give her
Yeah, but you're letting me pet. You're a good boy, Butler. What a good boy. Yeah, stop hitting me. You have to hit me. You're still scaredy cat. You're a good boy. You're a good boy. I know you're scared. I know Butler's just scared. What a good boy. Good. See that? Because you're a hungry little piggy. Alright. Crackers gets it. Crackers gets it. Crackers knows I wouldn't hurt you. Don't be scared. Now you, little marshmallow, you get scared. Now, what we got here? Katarina's a good girl. She's very loving. She's very loving. Not eating. Where is Goldie? One of my customers is not here. Who's this? Who's this? This is you. Here's Goldie. Here's Goldie. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, so I'm just missing Clyde. Clyde! Alright, he'll come. Sometimes he comes late.